very shoddy, very haphazard work done by the PMC. Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror. We are on Nagar Road, very close to the Ramwadi station. So just a while ago, the PMC road department people were here, and they were involved in doing repair work of potholes and craters. So they have done this small patch over here, and these two patches over here. This crater on the left has not been touched, and going forward, you can see there are lots of small potholes which have not been touched at all. Another one has been repaired here. So there are a lot of potholes that they have just left. Very shoddy, very haphazard work done by the PMC. They have hardly done any repair work. You can see so many potholes and craters that have not been touched at all. Pune's roads are riddled with potholes and craters, and this should be a continuous job. In fact, it should start before the monsoon. There's another pothole here which has not been touched. Potholes at every few feet, So all this needs to be repaired properly. The surfacing should be done in such a way so that it is in sync. So it is in sync with the road surface, but that's not the case. They just dump some, what do you call it? The damper on it. See, there are so many potholes which have not been touched at all. Is this the way the PMC is doing work? They just came and repaired about 2-3 potholes and left everything just like it is. So a little bit of work has been done here as well. But the one right next to it has just been left. Very shoddy work, substandard work, and they have just come and dumped the material on it. They have not even leveled it with the road surface. This is in even a worse state. They have just put some rocks over here. Very haphazard, very shoddy work. You can see these are big craters, potholes, which have not been touched at all. It's all over actually. This is just one part of Nagar Road. Very, very shoddy work. See this here. You just take a walk towards a few more of them. This is right next to the PMC's water tanks, overhead water tanks, you can see on the right. So the PMC road division, they are doing very, very shoddy kind of work. They are coming and repairing a few potholes, a few craters, and leaving most of them just as it is. It's not been covered by any kind of, damper or anything like that. It's just left like that. What is the use? What is the purpose? The big question is, what are they trying to achieve? If you want to get the road repaired, get a road roller, surface it properly, resurface it properly. It should be aligned with the surface of the road, which is not being dumped. Most of the times, they dump the material which forms a lump. It's almost like a speed breaker, an unnatural speed breaker. And this is happening all over town. PMC needs to wake up, get their act together, and repair the roads in a proper fashion, in a proper manner, not in this haphazard, shoddy way. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror from just off Nagar Road with camera person Swapnil.